Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new 2023 Scout 215 XSF. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this is the black hull color, white bottom. Standard with the Scouts are a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert that really dresses up the boat nicely. Got a swim ladder on the starboard side, swim platform. This boat's powered with a V6 200 horsepower Mercury, 3.4 liter naturally aspirated engine. And now we'll make our way inside the boat. So here in the cockpit on Scout's 215 XSF, we've got a lockable, closable door. It's a designated entry into the cockpit. A stern seat for two, just in arm's reach of a stainless steel grab rail on the back side of the leaning post. Seat stows away really nicely. Our bilge area is all finished and polished. Easy to get to pumps, strainers. On the front side of the leaning post here, we have bolsters that work independently of each other. So a passenger can sit very comfortably with a touch point here, and a driver can do either, lean very comfortably as well. The steering wheel is on a tilt base with a steering knob. We have digital throttle and shift with that 200 horsepower Mercury. Trim tabs with LED indicators that show where those tabs are positioned. This is a 10-inch display from Garmin. Fusion Bluetooth stereo, and then all of our lights and pumps are switched here. Also on the right side, we have charging ports behind this little cubby area. And our phones. Fully glassed enclosure with ventilation above. Hard top as well. Gives this boat a nice big boat feel. And then inside the console, got a lot of room for storage. It's also where the batteries are going to be located along with your battery switch. So really versatile space there and how you choose to use that area. And then the bow seating, we have the chase lounge up front. A lot of leg support, armrests that are built in, comfortable seating for two adults, certainly a parent and a child. There's also really deep storage beneath. You can use this for your boat cover, like what you see here. But this is really deep space. So water toys, life jackets. This is an insulated lid, and that's drained, so it will keep ice. You can use it as a fish box or a cooler. The U-shaped seating up here is also a nice lounger, another place to stretch out comfortably. There's storage beneath both of these seats. All of these cushions come up, including the chase, and these backrests remove really easily as well. If you want to open this space up or convert it more to more of a fishing focus. The anchor is housed here, and you can easily access the anchor line beneath this cushion as well. There's another hatch there. Cup holders up front in the foredeck, in addition to the four that you have total up in the bow behind the backrest. A couple of speakers up here as well. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island, and that's a walkthrough of Scout's 215 XSF. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.